My name is Grace Baldus, and this is my ENME 351 final project. For this project, I created what is essentially a microphone and replay speaker system in which a person is able to sing a melody into a microphone or an audio sensor, and the system will effectively sing that same melody back to the person. So the way that this works is using a audio or a microphone sensor seen here, and essentially a person will sing into the microphone for a set period of time, and the sensor will pick up that information and send it to the Arduino as a voltage reading. And for a prescribed amount of samples and sampling frequency, the Arduino code is then able to take this information and convert it from the time domain to the frequency domain using a fast Fourier transform. This is useful because once the input signal is quantified as a frequency, the corresponding music note that is being sung can be assigned. And once this occurs, then this music note information can be sent over to processing, and the corresponding music note that is currently being sung or played will then be displayed on the processing screen on this music staff seen here. Finally, there are two means of actuation in the system, the first of which is a servo motor that has an arrow attached to its arm, and based off of the music note that is being sung or played, the arrow will point towards the corresponding music note. Once the servo arrow identifies the music note that is currently being sung, then the buzzer, seen here, will actuate and essentially play back the same frequencies that were sung into the microphone sensor, and essentially mimics the input melody that was sung into the microphone to begin with. The Arduino code has the ability to categorize 8 specific music notes, starting at the D4, which is about 293 hertz, all the way up to a 440 hertz A. And again, this categorization happens within the Arduino code before the corresponding music note is sent over to processing. Because this Arduino program is only able to recognize these 8 specific and distinct music notes, there are a couple lines of code that are included to essentially filter out any sort of background noise or undesired input frequencies. The result then is actuation that only includes the initial melody that was first sung or played into the microphone sensor.